Good morning, children. All of you open your grammar. Chapter number 15. Active and passive voice. Very important. Okay. So we have done in 5th also, in 6th also, and now we are doing it in 7th. Okay. So all of you pay attention and the PDF badi utarjo. I am going to take test. Okay. See. Read the following sentences carefully. The magician took his hat. He kept it on the table. He pulled out a rabbit. The children clapped loudly. Okay, in sentence A, B and C. The magician and he. Here there are subject. The magician, he, the children are the doer of the action. Who is doing the action? The magician. Then he. Alright, are you understanding? The children. Okay. And indeed the children are the doer of the action and also the subject of the verb clapped. All the above sentences are in the active voice. In active voice as the subject of the doer of act is the subject is only doing the action. Now when the subject of a verb is the doer of an action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. The elephant ate the bananas. Nina typed the application. Here the elephant and Nina are the subjects. Now let us consider the sentences given below. A hat was taken by the magician. It was kept on the table by him. A rabbit was pulled out. Now in each of the above sentences, the subject is not the doer of the action, that is a hat, it, a rat. These sentences are in the passive voice. The verbs here are was taken, was kept and was pulled. A verb is in the passive voice when it tells us what is done to a person or thing. The subject is the receiver of the action in the passive voice. In all the above examples, the action is passed on to an object. Verbs that require direct objects to complete their meaning are called transitive verbs, and only these can be changed into the passive form. In sentence C, there is no object. The children clapped loudly. This sentence can't be changed into a passive voice. Now these I have written the answers for you. Now page number 114. Children, these you will have to learn by heart. In active, I, in passive, me. This you are knowing also. We have already done. Okay. Now see, while changing the sentence from the active to passive voice, the following points have to be kept in mind. We have to remember the object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. See. The chimpanzee is eating a banana. Right? This is the subject. Subject will become by the chimpanzee. So, and this object will be here. A banana is being eaten. Is B-E-I-N-G, being eaten by the chimpanzee. Okay? Yeah, all are given here. See the active subject in sentence A, the chimpanzee has become the passive subject in sentence B. The object in the active voice, a banana, has become the subject in the passive voice. Here it has become subject. Yeah? This was subject, this was object. So subject will come here, object will go backside. See. The object in the active voice, banana, has become the subject in the passive voice. The preposition by is used before the chimpanzee. The verb is eating changes to is being eaten. It is an appropriate auxiliary. Is being plus past participle of verb eaten. The subject of the verb in the active voice is expressed as by plus agent in the passive. It becomes a prepositional phrase in the passive voice. Raman drew a picture. A picture was drawn by Raman. This is passive. This is all you have to learn, children. Here, he gave away the prizes. Active. The prizes were given away by him. Here the pronoun he changes to him. He, him. See. I baked a delicious cookie. I baked delicious cookies. Delicious cookies were baked by me. In example B, I changes to me in the passive voice. We should always remember that it is the verb that undergoes a change in the active or passive voice. Verb is changed. But when the verb is changed to the passive voice, the form of the complete sentence is changed as explained above. Okay? Last 115 page. All the answers I have written here. I just explain you once. He sold the house. The house was sold by him. She caught the butterfly. The butterfly was caught by her. Okay, so you all will write these answers very neatly. Yeah. Now in passive voice, this sentence can be rewritten in two ways. Two ways we can write, but we are going to do this only. Just now, okay? Don't be confused. They compelled Raman to leave the house. Raman was compelled to leave the house by them. Mother presented a purse to me. A purse was presented me by mother. Okay, these answers I have written, so you all will write this. In next period, I will take page 115 from subject verb agreement. Okay, and all of you note down. I am going to give you a test of chapter 14 on Tuesday. हो गया.